You stand away from me. I will put you under rape case. Don't stay away from me.
Okay, I'm for payment.
What? Payment? There is a way to ask payment.
He's coming to you.
How dare you? It's slipper and you bloody bastard.
You raised your voice or what?
Fucking bastard. How dare you talk to my husband like that?
I've never been talked to like this.
ನೀನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಬ ನಾ ಮಾತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀ put he tried to rape me. Come, he touched me, he raped me. I'll put him in rape case. Ayyo, I am very stressed. He just raped me. You put him assault case. He assaulted me. I will put rape case. You want payment now? Mother son, Lade Kebal. Who do you think you are? Fucking better ask apology to my husband. Politics speak. Otherwise, I'll screw your happiness. I will put it in social. Put go Facebook like put the record pantingla. Not police station. In payment time back call. Mother son, Lade Kebal. What please? You done that?